biggest problem specialists face isn't money, it's decision fatigue. Every day you're making decisions about patients, staff, practices, and finances. At Rhythm, we simplify your financial world so you can focus on medicine. Let's face it, most medical specialists didn't become doctors because they love dealing with finances. Yet every week they're forced to make hundreds of decisions outside of medicine: billing, tax, questions about investments, insurance, staff, compliance, and their practice. And every one of these decisions steals time and energy away from what matters most: their patients, their families, their lives. The problem isn't a lack of intelligence. The problem is decision fatigue. Because when you're responsible for a practice, a team, a family, and a career, every financial decision becomes another burden on an already overloaded mind. Most specialists end up managing 5 or 6 different providers: an accountant, an advisor, a medical bureau, an investment provider, an insurance broker. Everybody has a different opinion, but nobody sees the full picture. And that's where Rhythm is different. We create a complete financial ecosystem around medical specialists. One relationship, one point of contact, one team. From medical billing and practice management to accounting, tax, investments, insurance, and generational wealth planning. Everything connected, everything coordinated, everything working together. So instead of spending your time managing providers, you can focus on being a doctor with a single point of contact to one of the best financial ecosystems in South Africa.